Wherever you go. Yun lang yung alam ko dun.
Ay, oo, yung OST.
Sige, mag-duet kami next time.
Next time.
Tapos si Jess sasayaw.
Yeah, dito sa sayo.
Interpretative dance.
Mag-apple-apple lang ako sa likod.
Reyna.
Hotel de Luna din daw.
I also saw that. Are you K-drama girl?
No, actually, now lang ako yung mom ko kasi yung super K-drama talaga.
What's the first K-drama you watched?
Hi, Bye, Mama.
Oh my God!
I love that. Yun talaga.
Okay.
No. Pero kasama ko yung mami ko nanonood nun. Tapos syempre nafe-feeling ko, mangyari to. So you have to cherish the people around you.
You should.
But, what else did I watch? Of course, Crash Landing.
Crash Landing. That was my first K-drama.
That's a good intro to K-drama.
Kasi sabi ko, I was very curious. I studied, diba, international relations. Sabi ko, ano ba si North Korea and South Korea? That's the only reason why I watched it. Kasi it was very
amazing. It's amazing.
It was amazing. Like, the actors and everything.
Everything with them was so good.
So good. Like,
Pero
cinematography.
iba nga din talaga yung way of shooting sa kanila. Like, they only do like a few scenes a day. Like, let's say 1-2 scenes lang the whole day. Parang Hollywood din sila ata daw. Sabi nila. Sino po yung nakapula? Secret.
Oh.
Ay, may nakapula ba?
Hanapin mo ako.
Alamin nyo.
Scarlet Heart! Did you watch Scarlet Heart?
No.
That's also good.
But yung Descendant.
Ako talaga K-drama girl talaga ako. My first K-drama, Boys Over Flower.
Ay, oh my God! Ano yung... Ay, Meteor Garden pala yung nasa isip ka.
What's Meteor Garden? Is that...
Yun ba, Ate Patch? Oh,
same lang.
baby. Alam ko ng
F4.
ate ko. Kasi yung ate ko nagko-collect ng lahat ng Meteor Garden. Tapos meron kaming kung ano.
Daming
Daming sunshine.
Sa Boys Over Flower, si yun, yung Gu Junpyo.
Oo, pogi din. Limin ho, di ba? Limin ho.
Damn.
Baby, my baby.
Maganda po ba weekend? Yes, super.
Sobra! It's time to run.
Descendants of the Sun.
Oh, I saw that.
Di ba si
Si Song,
Si
diba?
Go-
Song Jong-chi and
Joke
Song
lang.
Hye-kyo.
yung sa Goblin na guy?
Gong Yu.
The same?
No.
Sorry na.
Sorry na.
Sorry na. I know, I'm
Hindi
not
pa kami
familiar.
masyadong
Oh, baby. Hometown cha-cha-cha. I tried. Tapos na-stop ako.
Ako din.
Oo.
Pinanood ko before ako
But I love
pumasok.
Good
True
Boy.
Beauty. True Beauty ba?
True Beauty, yeah.
Is that a movie?
Series.
It's a movie, right?
Cha-ano.
Si Chono.
Like,
Sa series.
Ay, hindi. Iba pala yung 100-pound beauty pala yun.
Iba yan.
pero parang same concept. Ganun.
Pero yan, True Beauty. Napanood ko na dahil kay
Start
Chono.
up.
Start
Gusto
up!
mo kilala by
Start up!
name?
Nice din yung Namjoon.
It's okay not to be okay.
Oh my God!
Oh my
Of
God.
course.
I love that kasi.
Of course.
Yes, sobra. And now,
Ang sexy
making
niya.
it.
Yes.
Oh yeah!
And
Oh my
Joshua.
gosh!
Yes.
Oh my God! Oh, eh.
Baby.
Bro, she kept
Ang dami
doing
na-
the same time.
Ang dami na nilang sinasuggest na
K-drama.
K-drama. How to note them all.
True Beauty, yes. Napanood namin True Beauty.
What's your favorite sports?
True beauty is in the
While you
eye
were
of the
sleeping.
beholder.
While you were sleeping, did you watch? That's also
K-drama
so good.
yan?
Yeah, Lee Jong-suk.
Alam, hindi ko siya nakilala.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
That's also
Si
good.
mama ang nanood.
Daming good. Lovely Runner, Byeon Ho-suk.
Iniiwan ko
Pogi.
kasi lagi si mama sa bahay. Kaya nanonood lang siya palagi. Alchemy. Oh, wow. It's an origami.
Alchemy,
Wow,
good also.
I love that.
Are you a cat person, Rebero?
I have
She
both.
just fed 3 cats outside kanina before entering.
I have both. But I feel like mas kaugali ko kasi yung cat.
Yung pic.
Oh, yeah, I have pigs. Don't start this conversation when we're
We ain't gonna end.
All my pets have Instagram
paper.
accounts.
Oo nga, nawala. Yes, guys, nawala yung isa kong earring na sa kabilang bag ko.
Pero
guys.
nakailang topic din siya for?
This is my dog.
Oh my gosh!
Blush?
This is Blush. Yes, he's Blush. She's a senior citizen.
Oh, wait?
Yes. But if old, why look baby?
Ganda mo.
Thank you.
Hindi ako nakapokus
Thank you.
kay Blush.
Is Blush and then...
I remember 2 cats nga sa story mo.
Oh!
Yes. And then these are my children, Doja Cat. I'm serious.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Legit? That was a joke?
Because my mom was like, what's the point of me having a girl cat if I'm not gonna name her Doja Cat? There's no point. And this is my
white.
this is my son. He's my son. There,
Chill.
I give them such a hard time during Halloween.
Oh my God.
He's so
cute.
so
Oh my God,
cute.
Storm.
Oh my gosh.
Ba't nagtatampo?
Pagod na siya.
Kasi pinag-costume ko.
That's so cute.
Kaya follow niyo yung mga account ng mga anak ni Alexa.
Ang aking mga anak.
Gusto ko yung nagtatrabaho pa nakikichismis din.
Kaya actually, nung nag-PBB ako before Ate Patch, sabi ko yun yung biggest fear ko na magkaroon ng task na papasok yung pets ko tapos bawal ko pansinin. Yun yung biggest fear ko talaga kasi sabi ko, sorry, talo na agad.
Twinkling watermelon. Ay, sorry.
Masarap yan.
Ito kay drama?
Watermelon.
So innocent pa.
Ayoko pa
Masarap
naman ng
yun.
watermelon.
Ay, actually, hindi din ako fan ng water.
Oh, really? I love it.
But if frozen siya, like super frozen, I like.
Twinkling watermelon anyway, that was so good.
Pero may mga sobrang sweet.
Yung story
Diba?
ng Twinkling watermelon, the girl can talk. The girl can talk.
What? Sa K-drama.
Yeah.
And then?
The girl can talk and then the guy is a musician sa band. And then, they made it work.
Nakapag-communicate pa rin
Yeah.
sila. Of course, kayang-kaya.
Love
Yeah.
conquers all. I love
Anyway, you
Hero.
guys should watch. Ganda nun, iyak din kayo.
Anong
Fight for my
sports?
way.
Anong sports nyo daw?
Ako, I do scuba diving. Scuba free
Wow,
diving.
I'm so afraid of water.
Really?
As a
Should try it.
Pisces, I cannot swim.
Really love going to the beach.
No.
Really?
Beach or
I
mountain?
loathe it.
Mountain.
No, at home lang.
Kasi ma-mountain to.
Like you check?
Yeah, hiking, I love.
Slay. Wala bahay, taong bahay lang talaga.
What's
You
your favorite
should try.
sports? Do you like sports no?
Not at all. Sports doesn't like me.
So you just gym?
No, but you're an online gamer.
Ah!
I tried.
Just
That's
because
something.
just because KD games. And I'm like, fine. Kasi
For you.
di siya nakakapag-text pag nag-game. Eh, di mag-game na lang din ako para magkasama pa rin tayo sa game.
Para sabay kayo.
Aww. Bro.
Pero hindi, nagkakapikunan din kami.
Dahil sa...
Pag, kunyari Call of Duty, tapos papasabugin niya ako. Hindi. Personal na to.
Yun.
But yeah, that phase is done. Kasi ang laki ng memory na kinakain ng Call of
Ng-
Duty sa phone.
Nagdalawang phone.
Kaya dalawa.
Oo, nagdalawa siyang
Nagdalawang phone for COD.
Sabi niya, wala tong SIM card yung isa.
Walang SIM.
Why do you have two phones? For COD.
For
sabi niya,
COD.
Specific for COD only.
Yeah.
How to be Alexa?
No, dati
25, 21, I did.
25, 21.
Iyak din ako nun.
24 lang naman tayo. 25.
It's a K-drama.
Please sing. Rain, sing ka daw.
Killing me softly daw.
Stay tuned. KCC November 28. Doon na kayo
Ang saya
mag-watch.
naman nun.
Reply 1988. I watched that rain.
Sheila, matulog ka na, Sheila.
Sino si Sheila?
Hindi ko alam. Sabi niya doon please, pag-good night kayo sa akin para matulog na ako.
Pero hindi ka na good night. Sabi
Ay,
mo
good
lang
night.
natulog ka.
Hala, grabe.
Good night, Sheila.
Inutusan lang.
Itaewon.
Yeah,
and
so watch
si
that.
Mami lang ganun.
W also watched that. Halos lahat na pala pinapanood ko. Dr. Romantic na panood ko din.
I've seen some clips. Ano nga yung ginawa ni Jody Santa Maria? Yung World of the Married.
Yeah, you know, you watch
I've
that?
seen some clips lang.
That
Kasi
is
iconic
intense.
yun, di ba? Yung
Yeah,
car scene.
yeah.
Yung meet up with the
Watch the Han So-hee.
parents. Yeah.
Si gorgeous girl Han So-hee. Family by Choice. Oh, nasa Netflix ba yan lahat?
Ay, parang nabasa.
Hospital Playlist. Yan, nasimulan ko din. Tapos wala na. Kalimutan ko na. Saan ka mag-sleep, Rain? Sa bahay ko. Inampun ko na siya. Joke lang, tita. Baka sabihin ni mami mo, bakit sabi ni Alex, sabi ka na uuwi?
Di ba yung paalan dinner lang na?
Tama. Yung dinner inabot na ng 11.
Cute ni tita dyan. Okay. Ang bilis ka.
Ay, ang bilis ka usap po.
Ren, asa na daw yung mini vlog mo?
Ay, hindi ko pa na-edit eh.
I know, it's the editing That's
Yeah.
hard.
It's overwhelming at first, but when you start doing it naman, tapos parang nakuha mo na yung groove, okay lang.
And hindi ko siya na-vlog nung maayos. I forget. Sorry, guys.
You need to buy a camera.
Yeah.
You know, the one that Dongpat has. The
Ah,
Osmo.
ganun. Oo.
It's so good. So good.
Do you vlog at Alexa?
I used to, pero I used to, grabe lahat na ata pinasok ko. Nag-YouTube channel din ako before.
Oh.
Yeah. Kasi I love makeup din. Makeup.
I saw clips.
I can
Makeup. Ay, may grades ba yan?
Yeah. And that's a good design. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Ba't ikaw wala?
Meron. Ay, tayo din tatlo.
Yeah, may
Last
salamin ko din nandito. Ayan. Mga bulag.
Wala na nga ang solo dance. Mag-crop na lang kayo. I'm kidding. Soon.
Scarlet Heart?
Yeah, Scarlet Heart si Ayu na ganun.
I tried watching yung sikat na mermaid
Ay.
siya.
Legend of the Blue Sea.
I love that, sorry.
Oh, akala ko ba?
Tsaka,
Sige, kaya mo yan.
yung alien sila. Yung si alien si
Ah,
Peggy.
kaya mo yan. Sige, I know it.
My love from the sky!
yeah.
Oh my God, I saw that. I watched. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Ay, nakakainis tayo.
Oo nga.
Ang
Sorry
ingay
po,
natin.
sorry. But that was so good.
I know, oh my God.
Ang cute niya dun. Toto
Baby ba siya?
Junji
May
yun.
totoy.
Good favorite ko yung girl. Siya lang yung kilala ko, si Junji yun.
She's the highest paid actress
Yeah,
in
now.
Korea.
And si Kim So Yun
Yeah.
yung
Boy.
boy.
Bro.
Ay, oo nga.
Sana all.
OA Sisters, yes. Yes, OA
Pag sunggol
Sisters.
sa
Tatlo
K-drama.
na po.
Tatlo. Actually, Keisha now is OA na.
OA.
Kasi sa loob ng bahay ni
Napapasigaw
Kuya,
lang siya.
Mas nonchalant talaga si Keisha.
Nandiyan na si Keisha, pero OA siya.
Pero OA na. Oh, I think if you
She tried to be... Gusto niya kasi OA yung... gusto niya nonchalant, pero OA talaga siya.
Pwede naman yun. Two worlds colliding.
Queen of Tears, yes. Tapos na kami ni Rain. And then si Alexis watching.
Yes! But right now, medyo nababaliw ako sa Wicked! Wicked is the best.
So good. We watched pa 4DX.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
So like the wind.
Grabe yung
and
wind.
then
Uy,
the
nilamig
chair.
ako.
Nilamig yung mukha na.
Pag yung, daya.
Pero kung hiluhin ka, is that
Ah,
the term?
okay,
Oo, wag.
So, you had 3D glasses?
No?
No.
Just the chair moving and the wind blowing on our face.
Because that's what I cannot, the 3D glasses. Nahihilig.
Kasi nakakaduling
Yeah,
yung...
yeah. So gumagalaw din kayo. Defying gravity, slay.
I'm gonna rewatch.
I'm scheduled to watch it like 5 times already.
Oh,
like
that's nice.
I have to watch. It is my life. It is my personality as of the moment.
Third ko na nood
Galanda.
4DX sa Rebels.
Kaya nga when I saw you, like, The Wicked, oh my God, I'm so happy for you.
Yes! It's so happy. It's the best. Why do you always wear glasses?
Because I can't see without them.
Because of the top reason why people wear glasses.
Yeah. Hindi pa siya char-char.
George.
Totoo po siya.
Cute daw.
Chloe's crash landing on you, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we watched.
Yeah.
Huh?
Do you like horror?
Angel's Last Mission, I watched that.
No, how about you? You like horror?
Yeah, I'm fine. Pero I can't watch alone.
Oh, yeah. Let's baduy naman
Yeah.
din to watch horror alone. I love horror. Nag-Halloween ba sila dito, ate?
Hindi kami umabot. Big Data kami noong
Ay, oo nga. Host ako.
Oo nga.
Hindi ko alam. Oo nga. Ano sa amin na ng Halloween?
Ayun nga,
Saya-saya.
tayo pala yung nag-concert together.
Pero oo, kami.
I feel like a sweet, like a
Sugar
sugar.
on rock. If you wanna fight, I can turn the heat on.
Eh.
Hey.
Yan na po ang sample na makukuha
Yun na po
niyo
yung
for
teaser.
tonight.
Ano nga yun? What was our conversation nga before
Horror?
we got... Yeah, horror.
Dory! Ah! Oh, is that a cat or a mouse?
I think it's a cat.
Oh, what animal are you afraid of?
Oh.
Afraid?
I hate
Not
snakes.
naman afraid, but yeah, I don't like snakes. I think they're nasty.
Like you touch.
Oh,
I have touched. Like a picture ko na may nakabalot na snake. But I realized, yeah.
The one you wouldn't touch.
Sorry, insect siya eh.
What's that?
Spiders. I hate spiders.
Ooh, I don't chill with spiders.
No, I can't.
I can't with snakes.
Daga.
Snakes talaga.
Daga.
Oh, daga is nasty. Pero snakes kasi parang
Slippery
kinakalabutan. Go. Parinig mo sa kanila.
Guys, narinig niyo yun?
Narinig niyo yun?
Tsaka pataas.
What? It's a singer. Wait, what? This is a singer.
Buti pa utot mo
Nag-whistle.
singer.
Nag-whistle.
Kala ko nadala ko
Hindi
dito.
naman umabot dito. Gone with the wind na yan.
Family ba yan?
Tinapat ko siya sa plant, guys.
Ano ba? Ano bang... Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to touch also like
So like if I have friends, I have some friends who take care of snakes like as their pet. I'm not ever going to their house. Like I don't think.
Don't put.
Yeah, don't
Snakes
put
in sa house.
Jesus.
like a snake.
Ang pangalan, Wings.
White,
Wings
a white
club?
one.
Jesus Christ.
Parang I can't imagine. I don't even want to imagine.
My mom would die. Tsaka, oh my God, but like it's free roaming around the house.
No naman, it's kept in a
In
safety. Yeah. I don't know. Like imagine.
Imagine talaga natin.
What if makawala?
Ikaw, what's ano?
Daga.
Daga.
Like,
Also, you're G with snakes.
yeah. I'm
True! Ay, nakakita ako ng dati. Sa tabi-tabi.
Oo nga, nakita ko one time. Oh my God. It makes me scared to walk na talaga. Oh, eh. But legit, I'm scared. Tapos yung what's in the box ko kay kuya, daga pa. Kala ko talaga patay na daga yun. Talaga. Kaputo ko na kamay ko nun.
Do the wait trend.
Wait.
Wait! They don't love you like I love you. Wait!
Isang good night po. Asan daw si KD?
Asa puso ko, guys.
Oh!
Hey, slay!
Yes.
Hindi na kayo dito.
But realistically speaking, I think he's at home.
Playing.
Sabi ni
inggit.
Keisha, I'm inggit.
What?
Hindi niyo ako sinam. We tried to
Ako,
wait
Keisha.
for you.
Ang layo kasi ng fitting.
Sabihin.
Oo, ngayon.
Wait. They don't love you like I love you. Wait. Very
Di ko dumagetin nun.
Not yan.
They don't love you like I love you. Wait.
Nasaan si Jen? Kanina, she was there kanina, but no more na. Rain's back.
Rain na to. Fave rom-com movie.
There's this guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 friends.
I only have 3.
5 lucky friends.
I
It's
think this
just
was an
Irene
accident.
and you.
And now, so you're gonna see my face every day if I update.
Lock it.
No.
Oh, you wanna have lucky
Lock
friends?
it.
Dati,
Ay! Okay, scared ako.
tingin din.
Kala ko,
Girl.
yeah, Locket.
So parang mag-update na kami ng mga photos.
You know Locket? I love Locket.
Is this what the kids use nowadays?
You know,
Careful.
yeah, so I got scared.
Wait.
Hindi ko ulit ito ba?
Wait.
Ay, fave rom-com movie mo?
50 First Dates.
Oh.
Tyler.
Gusto yung may kukauli. Sige.
Yeah. Madami din na hindi ko lang maalala.
Ano, How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days?
I'm so uncultured.
Oh my gosh, you should... Oh my
I
gosh.
know. I know.
Oh my gosh.
All the girls
I hate
in a
about you.
day, events, fun night,
That's
day,
different.
events.
Pero maganda yun.
I was already watching it. Like, I was watching it already. And then, I think my mom wanted to watch something else. So, I stopped and I forgot to.
You should watch How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days.
You know, I like... Is it considered rom-com? You know, She's the Man. Amanda Bynes.
Yes.
I love that.
Igubit ka na sana.
I love And you know, when I close my eyes, I see you for what you truly are. Ugly.
Ito ba yung ano, di ba? Soccer player siya.
Yeah.
Tapos yung
Love
brother
that.
niya,
Ah,
yeah.
Oo.
Tapos nagpapalit siya. That was
Ah,
so...
yeah.
Invite.
Oh my God!
Ako din sa kanya.
Ay, ito din! Okay! Ang sakit sa heart nun. Bakit yun?
Sabay-sabay pa kami nag...
Can you like get that, guys? I wanna see that again.
Itag niyo kami pag...
Sakit nun sa heart.
Oh,
Bakit nagaganon sila? What are you?
Dun sa
Ano
yeah.
ako?
Motor.
Hindi ka nagulat? Gulat ako.
Alam mo, may clip ako nakita nung parang si Kwanti Melay nag-voice over sa atin. And then biglang nagluluto ako. Tapos sabi niya, kain na kayo. Tapos nagulat ako. Pero yung ibang housemates nagulat sa akin. Hindi kay Kwanti. Anyway,
Hawa-hawa
okay.
lang.
Hawa-hawa lang.
Hawa-hawa
Ganyan
pala.
talaga.
Wait.
Si ano, rom-com, what else?
Ano ba ba?
rom-com?
Nasabi niyo na eh.
Serendipity, is it a rom-com?
Oh my God, how could I...
Oh my God,
Serendipity,
I don't know
my favorite. That's a hopeless romantic.
I understand.
Oh, right?
I
Right?
understand.
You should watch Serendipity.
Alright.
So cute.
It's
Ate!
really nice.
Bakit naisip ko, sabi mo 50 Shades of Grey?
Uy!
Hindi yun rom-com. Sabi ko sa ate, patch it.
Grabe.
Yeah, 50 First Dates. 50 First Dates made me believe na may ganito talaga. Na
Ano
will...
nangyari doon?
50 First Dates made me believe in
Yung nangyari doon, di ba? So the girl has some amnesia. Like,
yeah,
like
parang
Dory.
everyday nag-rehearse.
Yeah. She only remembers one day.
before
So-
she got the
Yeah, so every day she has to live that day like it's the only day she remembers. So the guy who fell in love with her had to reintroduce himself and make her fall in love with him.
every day.
Yeah.
Ay.
So
Kasi
good.
TikTok, napanood ko siya sa TikTok. Hindi ko siya napanood daw.
In fairness,
Yun, 50 First Dates, Serendipity. Actually, yung mga rom-com, yung mga ganun na films, it makes you believe so much in love. You know,
yeah. Actually, even if I watch K-drama, I'm watching Queen of Tears and I'm like,
really,
this-
may lalaki talaga na gaganinin ka.
Oh my God.
Like, would do everything
You haven't
and
even reached the
anything.
part yet.
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
haven't.
God.
Yes, you're still in episode 5.
Oh my God.
Like,
in fairness, meron naman. Pero feeling ko si KD gano'n naman siya.
Ah.
So, okay lang.
Feeling ko ate just ganun ka na.
ganun lang, hanap mo na.
Tayo na lang muna.
So, yes, meron naman mga
May nahanap ka na eh, Katie.
may
Shout
mga
out to you, Katie.
ano yung rom-com
KD
guys
Lex.
in real life.
Ooh.
Hey, happy
Happy
weekend! Slay.
Slay. Kaya, ano pa bang mga rom-com?
Ang tanda
Oh,
ko,
favorite.
pero my best
You watch
friend's
this
wedding.
dystopia?
Oh, yes.
Oh
of
my gosh, my
course.
best friend's wedding. Si ano
Of
yan, di ba?
course.
Julia Roberts.
Julia Roberts.
Have you watched Notting Hill? I haven't watched
I haven't.
I haven't. It's so... I'm just a girl.
I know. Standing in front
Front
of a man,
asking him to love her.
This ain't Texas. I'm late.
Ah.
Nalit kami.
Hindi namin yung High School Musical. Of course, High School Musical.
Of course.
Who was your bias in High School Musical? Are you Team Gabriela or Sharpay?
Oh, growing up, it was Team Gabriela.
Bye.
Gabriela. Bye-bye. Love you.
Bye! Bye!
Ingat. Enjoy.
Legit stop by.
But now,
Buti
that
may
I'm older,
caption.
I'm like,
Wala pa itong gamit mo.
I get it. Sharpay. Sharpay all the way. Have you watched Camp Rock? It's like we're
Of
going,
course.
it's like we're going time traveling to the past.
of course, Camp Rock.
Camp Rock.
Oh, I wanna do that.
Saan daw si Colette? Ayun, kakaalis lang.
Babay na.
Dumating na si Colette.
Kala kong ano yung papalit.
The
that?
showdown. Oh, showdown daw kayo, guys.
Go to Jazz. Dear future.
Sa'yo na lang, guys.
Coraline. Oh my God, I love
yeah.
Coraline. I love
But I got scared first time I watched Coraline. I was really
because of the
scared.
mother.
Because of the mother. You know the traumatic scene for me is the button.
The eye button.
The eye button. It's so traumatic.
Yeah, I get it.
As a kid, no way.
I love Coraline. Coraline.
Coraline.
Is that Alexa?
Di ba yung
Depends on who's
eye button
asking.
at the patch?
Wicked. I love Wicked. Monte Carlo sila. Oh, I haven't
Oh,
watched
Monte
that.
Carlo. You should. It's so
I know, I know,
nice. The guy there
Cinderella
is so
story
pogi.
yung na-watch.
The guy there is so pogi.
Beetlejuice, of course.
Notting Hill, yes.
You just said it kanina.
I love Notting Hill. What's Two Hearts? Ito ba yung ano? Binigay niya yung heart. Namatay siya, tapos yung heart niya nasa isang tao. No, tapos nagka-inlovean sila.
Paano nipatay na siya?
No, like, namatay siya, pero may isang, transplant yung heart to
Okay.
another person. And then nag-meet sila nung girlfriend or fiancé. And then parang naging something. I don't know if tama ba ako.
Heart wants what it wants. Okay, let's stop talking about movies.
Movies.
Let's talk about music.
Okay.
Who's your
Music.
favorite artist? International.
I would, oh, wow.
What are you into ba? Like, genre?
A lot eh. Very
usually
genre
listen to
neutral naman.
anything. I think I
At the
can...
moment. At the moment.
At the moment, BTS pa rin.
BTS.
Housemate.
Bias naman Ate Patch.
Ano sabi niya, Touch?
Kayo daw, Gen 11 housemate.
Sila.
How about you, Rain? Who's your favorite at the moment, international art?
International. Daniel.
Oh,
Caesar?
Caesar.
Ariana. Like that.
Taylor Swift.
Of course.
Hail Caesar.
Bruno Mars pa rin.
Bruno
Oh my
Mars.
God,
Timeless
Bruno
talaga.
Have you watched this concert?
Yeah.
Yes.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Here.
Yes.
I'm a concert goer.
Actually.
Concert goer talaga. Like,
So like if I'm a
Oh,
beach
shit.
goer, mountain, ikaw concert.
Ay, gusto ko din to eh.
too bad it's so
Wala
far,
akong pera
Philippine Arena.
Oh my God.
Ako doon naubos yung money ko. Concert.
Frank Ocean.
Oh, Frank
Oh,
Ocean!
yeah.
Love. Yeah, babe. I love songs.
I love
Oh,
songs.
and-
It's
ano
so
yung
hard. I love
concert?
music.
Locked Out of Heaven.
Hindi ko na
Kita ko yung
maalala.
mga clips eh.
Check ko yung...
Yeah.
Cannot just stay here.
Yeah. Spend the
Ayan na,
rest
Bruno
of the...
Mars. There's a
Oh,
highlight.
Diyos. Oh.
1975.
What? You with Blackpink?
Yeah.
No way!
Yeah, I was so near to them. Honestly.
Hala ko.
Yeah.
loco.
Then I was
No
so
way!
near. Then when they went back, I saw them again. Saw them 2 times na. That was the
No
first.
way!
And then this was
Crazy.
the second. I was so close. Oh.
Oh my gosh!
Crazy.
See, so
Good job.
close.
Oh my God, you saw them! Crazy ka.
Isa na lang hikaw mo.
Coldplay also?
Yes.
Jams, I want
Nasa
to
Taylor
watch
Swift also.
Coldplay talaga.
Yung mga
Oo,
nila-
nag-Dua Lipa ka.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I love. Dua talaga yung sobrang
Yeah, I
favorite.
know. I can tell in their stories like, oh, she's a fan.
Hindi, nag-Dua Lipa ka, the one she was... Di ba she was here like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
2 to 3 weeks ago. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose.
8 roses.
Fan ka mo ng BTS? Yes. Oh, yeah.
Rain Kill and clothing line mo. Wala pa pang mutin.
Best concert experience.
Ikaw, best concert. I've only been to Beanie Verse.
Oh, me too.
Oh, I went to Sarah Geronimo's concert before.
Slay.
And Vice Ganda.
Slay!
Vice Ganda went to Dumaguete before.
Panis. Boom, boom, panis.
What's your concert? As a maraming
Yeah.
collection.
Taylor Swift and Coldplay. Tie for me.
Wow, Coldplay talaga. I really want.
Iba yung,
Look
I
at
don't know,
the
like,
stars.
grabe yun, nag-cry ako. First time ko mag-cry sa concert when I saw Coldplay.
I cried in Beanie.
Slay! Huwag muna tayong umuwi.
That song hits different now because of PBB.
Yeah, I know, right? Lahi na. Iba yun. Katabi pa natin yung host. Dito muna.
Michael Jackson. Oh, you watched Michael Jackson? Oh my
Hello?
Oh
God.
my gosh, I love Michael Jackson. I remember I was grade 4
Sobrang
when Michael
swerte.
Jackson died. Crazy time.
I was so obsessed with Michael Jackson.
How old are
That
you
time
po?
na nag-
Man in the Mirror is my favorite song.
Ako, do you remember
Eh.
when we fell in love?
Yes, Ariana Grande.
Buzz tour ni Nicki. I'll see you there.
Thank you.
Sinong crush mo daw, Rain? Ako.
True.
Para walang away, guys.
Oh.
It's me. I'm the one you want. It's me. So if you care to find me, look to the western sky.
You 3 should go Coachella.
Coachella.
Are you ready
I
to?
would want to go to
I know.
Coachella. That has been a dream. of
Dream.
mine.
With what money?
It's gonna happen, please.
Yeah,
With what money?
2026.
It's gonna happen.
With what money?
Yeah.
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
No, I'm super regretting lang kasi I always say, okay, I'm gonna go to Coachella if I really love the
Artist.
Artist.
Syempre, it's so expensive, no? Flight, where to stay, the outfit.
Everything in Coachella is very
Yeah, I
expensive.
know.
My older brother went last
Oh my
year.
God.
He always
Doja
goes.
Cat?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, damn.
My older brother and yung fiancé niya, they always go to like Coachellas. And then like they always tell me that it's so expensive. But they love going to music festivals.
Well, I don't know, whatever makes you happy, diba?
Yeah.
If you got
Good
the
naman
money,
eh.
go.
Sana
I
mo
would.
weekend. Yes, tapos na kami nanonood ng weekend,
Yeah.
guys. We both
Popular.
watched. And then Alexa also watched. But she's gonna watch again.
Popular. Musical festival. I know. Yun ang gusto ko ma-experience. Festival. Not,
Yeah.
not just a concert. Ang favorite artist ko din super si Doja Cat.
And your cat's name is Doja.
Yeah, but too bad she's a mean kitty.
What about you, Alexa, girl crush?
What about me? My crush?
Yeah, who's your girl crush?
Sobrang dami.
True.
Sa local? Sa local
be.
right now, it's Bini Mika. Like, just straight up gay. For Bini Mika. Yes.
Pag Lake ayaw.
Sino ba international? Wala akong maisip. Pero
Who's
may,
your bias in Blackpink?
you know, wala akong bias sa Blackpink. Parang, I like them all.
True,
like
true, true.
together.
Yeah. They're just, parang
Yeah,
Beanie and
parang-
Blackpink.
parang
Hirap.
together, they have to be together forever.
Yeah.
So if you care to find me.
BTS, do you watch BTS? You like BTS?
Don't know them. I know.
It's fine, it's fine.
I'm uncultured.
I'm
I know
not
BTS, but like I don't
Yeah, I
know.
know.
You know them.
Individually,
their
yeah, yeah.
Okay. You don't know which
But
is-
my cousins, titas, obsessed with BTS.
Tita.
Hey, Jungkook.
Yes.
I love Jungkook.
Yeah, I always hear that name, Jungkook.
Taeyong.
Taehoon. Hobi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout
Basta
out
color
taga
violet,
Consolation.
ganon.
Cookie.
Pero favorite ko, ang first favorite ko Korean group is 21.
Oh.
Ay, hindi. Girls' Generation and then 21.
Saan ba dyan si ano? Sandra?
21.
Sandara Park.
21. 21.
Are you a fan of One Direction?
Yes, I was a diehard.
Ako naman, I was a super believer.
Oh.
So when I was
yes.
a kid,
I thought I would marry Justin Bieber.
For you.
honestly,
I would
I
do
thought I could do.
whatever.
I thought I had a chance. Like I believed that all he needed to do was to see me and we're getting married. Like I just know if he saw me, one less lonely girl for real.
One less lonely girl.
Diba? Di ba yung,
One
I don't know
less
if
lonely
it's baby,
girl.
pero di ba Jasmine
One
yung
less
ano,
lonely girl.
name nung,
Jasmine Villegas.
yes, yung leading lady. She's half Filipino, right?
Ingit na ingit ako sa babae.
Ako din, sabi ko, Jasmine, there's a chance kami
There's
talaga
a
dalawa.
Jasmine. He likes Jasmine girls.
Yes, Jasmine girls. Now he's married to Hailey Bieber.
Ay, not to me. What the hell?
But it's crazy. But I would marry just the young Justin Bieber.
You.
I love him so
But I
much.
love
Kahit
Justin
kailan.
Sino pa yung mga ano? Oh, I love Jonas
So,
Brothers.
oh my God, when you look me. Dati pag pumapasok ko sa school, tas umuulan, makikinig ako ng when you look me. Tas feeling ko talaga, may dinededicate akong dun sa song na yun.
Grabe.
Tell me
I
that
love
you
Jonas
love me.
Naalala ko pag grade 2 ako, yung best friend ko na guy, nag-print pa talaga siya ng lyrics ng...
Oh my God, nagpe-print pa tayo ng lyrics.
Nag-print pa tayo ng lyrics ng...
naabutan ko
Naabutan
yun.
niyo na ba yun, guys? I don't know sa
Naabutan
mga
ko
nag-watch na
Dati,
yun.
kasi-
May isa pa akong folder ko ng dami.
Di ba yung
Oo,
mga lyrics?
pinapasok mo yung lyrics.
Dati, nakatira kasi kami sa condo, second floor kami, tapos sa baba may basketball court. Tapos pag may crush ako sa basketball court, kakanta ako through the window ng Lady Gaga. O kaya ng Katy Perry.
Ayun!
So, yung mga favorite ko nun eh.
Wow.
Tapos feeling ko lang na...
Shoutout sa mga
siniserenade.
kinantahan ni Ate Alexa before.
Oo.
Hindi ko na sila kilala.
Nako.
I don't know their names anymore.
Or at least, masasabi nila na, nakantahan ako ng
I
isang Alexa
don't think
Helahan.
nakita nila ako yun. Basta naiirita na lang sila. Sino mo itong maingay? May kumakanta ng Bad Romance sa second floor.
Bad romance!
Westlife. Sorry, I'm a Westlife
Ah.
fan.
What's that?
Uptown Girl.
Uptown world. FM Static, oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Tonight
Little
I'm
Mix.
Little Mix. Why can't you hold me? I wish that it could be like that.
I don't know.
On
Okay.
yours.
Why can't I? Oh.
Zab, matulog na daw tayo.
Owl City, oh my God. You might not believe your eyes. It's 10 million fireflies.
Maroon 5.
Oh my God, of course.
Yeah.
Sunday morning, rain is pouring.
Rain. Make it with you by Bread. Of course, Bread.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
saan daw ako matutulog. Ay, hindi ako matutulog po.
Ay, di
Hanggang
ba kami
bukas
matutulog?
tayo dito naka-live.
Apo.
Ano ba?
Di
Wala
ba kayo
akong matutulog
na-inform?
sa pamilyang to.
Kailangan pa natin ng 10 Design Texas. Kundi di tayo matatapos. Joke lang. Do you watch Glee? Oh my God. you
Oh,
watch
si Glee.
I watched a
Glee.
few, yeah.
That's where I discovered Defying Gravity.
Ah, we. We.
Ed Sheeran, of course.
Of course.
Of course.
OG,
Speaking of
classic.
And darling, I will be loving you. Bisaya with Alexa. I will not understand anything.
Oh, we should do a vlog, a
I will
Bisaya
not-
challenge.
I will not understand anything.
We'll teach you.
I just know guapa.
Hey.
That's all. But nothing else.
I'm thinking about
Lane, yun naman.
yes, you went.
Do you know Secondhand Serenade? Of course. Best thing about tonight's that we're not fighting.
Fall in love.
Avril Lavigne. Oh my God,
Oh, yeah.
Have you guys played blind karaoke?
What's that? Ah,
I
yeah.
love doing that. So I play a karaoke song.
Okay.
And you have to guess. it.
Okay, do you wanna do it
without
now?
seeing the lyrics. Yes, okay, let's try.
Okay,
This is
so
your
Ate
phone,
Alexa.
right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, this one will be for Jazz.
Okay.
This one is cool.
Oh no, please choose an easy one.
Yeah. I'm gonna.
Come pick the club to play in the.
This is really easy. I think you can do this.
Yes, Midnasty. Midnasty, they're from Dumaguete. Yes. They're friends of I met them also in Dumaguete.
This is for Jazz.
Is that King? Sing King?
Sinking.
Oh! Ano tayo nito? Your shy son. This is me!
Yes.
Wow!
You're supposed to sing it.
Oh, do I have to sing it?
it.
Oh, I thought you had to just say the title.
Fine.
Oh,
for
we
that
just
first
passed
round.
by.
Okay, this will be for Rain.
Do you know what it's like? Feels
Sorry.
Ay, naingit ako sa sushi. Can I have it?
You're a shining star.
Diba? Kumain na diet na dapat ako eh. Kasi parang ano.
Okay, Rain, this is for you. I think you can do this. It's really easy. Not this, sorry. It's the intro.
Alright.
Iniisip ko din, ha?
So glad you made time to see me. No.
Wait, I'll give you another chance.
What is that?
It's Jonas Brothers!
Sorry. Your turn.
Okay, your turn. Okay, well, I'll eat muna that.
My heart is always searching. Could you ever find a home?
Something hard kasi.
Something
So
hard?
good,
Excuse
that's it.
me? No, I am not.
Teka lang.
Ang hirap pala pumili ng
Oo
song.
nga.
Yeah.
Why so fast?
Kasi we just talked about it, so I thought you would guess it right away. If my heart is always searching.
Which one? The first? Second? Okay. Ay, intro
She gonna
pa.
get
Intro
it.
pa.
I was like, what? I can be tough.
Bro!
You're
You're so
so
good!
That, Avril Lavigne.
Wala pa nga. Grabe ah.
Wish you were here.
Slay. I
Alexa
love Avril
Ilacad.
Lavigne.
Alexa,
Okay, again for Jazz.
Make it easy, guys.
That was easy. Wait.
Guys, yung hikaw ko nasa isang bag ko, guys.
Oh my God, this is how many times na ba?
Kasi they keep on mentioning it.
Okay, wait. What's a nice song?
Ang dami yung energy.
Ay, oo nga, ano oras na ba? 12:51 and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed thinking of you again.
giveaway. No, that's unfair. Sorry.
Okay.
That was unfair. Yeah, that was too easy. Okay, not that.
Aleja Rain. Aleja Rain.
Aleja Rain.
Alexa Just Rain.
I don't know.
Oh, this ain't Texas.
This ain't Texas.
You know, hold.
Oo, di nakasama yung leader na.
Ang leader ng mga bibe. Wait.
Hey, this ain't Texas.
This ain't
Pagod na
Texas.
ako, kayo na lang. Wait.
Naghahanap ko
I
sila
think you can
sa
do
song.
this. This is easy.
Okay. We come.
Okay, look for rain.
Okay, rain.
Uy,
Okay,
wala nang rain.
wrecking ball.
La 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 la.
I think this is easy.
Popular like me. Popular. I know about popular. And instead of being who you are. This is for rain.
It's for rain.
Kaya to.
Something not old, huh?
Kaya mo to. Ay. She doesn't know.
Kasi take the... Yung kanina? Hindi yan? Wait lang!
You don't know
No, what's that?
I was riding shotgun with my hair undone in the front seat of this car.
It's Taylor Swift.
One hand.
Oh
my God.
This ain't Texas, no, guys.
It sounds like
This ain't Texas.
This ain't Texas.
Oh,
I'm
it's a
sorry.
good song choice. Good song choice.
Ain't no hold up.
Okay, hanap tayo for
That was
Alexa.
so funny. Naging Beyonce yung Taylor Swift. Thank you, Beyonce.
Nice me on.
This ain't Texas. Whoo! Ain't no hold up. Why does the seam part?
Okay, you ready?
Yun na yun, intro.
Ito na yun.
Living in my own world.
Hindi.
Stepping from the
Tama, pero iba lang yung ano.
creating space between us.
Well,
Till we're soaring.
Tama.
So,
Galing ni Alexa.
gosh.
Bro, you're the queen.
no, I just love music. Listen to
Okay, Alexa's 3 points. 3-2.
Alam mo, sige.
I got 5.
That's for Jazz.
Yun lang nakita ko eh.
What's that?
Okay. But it's not playing. It's not playing. She chose this.
Oh my god! I made up my mind.
Yes, okay. This is for
Wow.
Jazz.
Oh, this is so good! Pressure na ako. Bakit
Ako lang to.
Bakit nagtototohanan?
Okay, wait. This is for Rain.
Bro, let's chillax. Choose a good one.
Okay.
Do you know this?
Okay.
Okay.
You should know this.
Hey. Yeah.
Parang mali.
Sige, kanta mo.
Okay, go.
You look so good right now.
Yes,
Okay.
Ayan,
Oh my
point.
god. 1 point. Oh my god. What's yours?
I love this game so much. You look so dumb right now. Oh, that's so easy.
Sorry.
No.
That's so easy.
Ay, ito kasi.
White chick.
This one.
Good.
Oh my god, I don't know this.
Alam ko. Ay! Uy! Kaboom-boom!
I don't know this. Wait.
You know this.
Okay.
I think I need the chorus.
Here's the chorus. Okay. Go.
Think of my love,
Wherever it goes, I always know.
I'm not a coping
Smile, please stay for
I just
a
like
while
coping.
now. Just stay wherever you go.
Okay, this is for Jazz.
Okay.
Wow!
Wait, I forgot the lyrics. So sick. So sick of love songs.
Yeah!
Wow, perfect pa ako.
Perfect.
No mistake.
Okay.
And my answering machine.
Play! Eh, ba't naging acoustic ang
Alone, 'cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone, and I know it makes no sense.
Eh!
When you walk out the door, 'cause it's the only way I hear your voice anymore.
I have. Wait, what's next for rain?
Be nice. For some reasons I just can't believe.
Ooh, yeah. I hope so.
Naka-pressure naman yung I hope so. Wait, I know it.
Huh?
Is it starting now?
Yeah.
Huh?
Ano to? Official
Hoy,
sound.
madaya kayo. Don't comment the answer. No, that's no fun.
This.
Only hope.
Madaya, nabasa ko.
It's the song sa ano, A Walk to Remember, di ba? Over actually watch A Walk to Remember again.
Okay, let's do a last one.
Okay, last one for you.
Asan ang magulang mo? Hindi ka na babalikan? Uwi na lang kita.
Sino?
Ikaw.
Anyari?
Oh, this one. You think she's gonna? Yeah, you're gonna guess.
Yeah, she's gonna get it. Tapos hindi. Ha, pressure.
Don't comment.
My favorite.
That one.
She got it, but it's the ano. But go.
Karaoke. Yes.
Hey. Honey,
Hello. Oh my gosh, girl crush.
oh my God. Hello po.
Hello po.
Hello po.
Kanina pa to. 11. Ay, 11. Joke lang. Kailan na yun? How do I check that time? 10:28. Sorry, I'm too late.
Gosh, but hi po. Ate. Hi, is Barbie my age? Our age?
Say your name.
Barbie.
Sounds so sweet.
Our age.
Coming from a
Lips of an angel.